Feeling stagnant in your fitness routine? Longing for an exercise experience that ignites both your body and spirit? Join us as we break free from the traditional gym model and embark on a journey towards personalized movement discovery. Forget the rote repetitions and forced motivation. Here, we unlock the true potential of exercise, revealing joy, empowerment, and a rediscovery of your innate ability to move with purpose. Hit that subscribe button and like this video if you're ready to trade the monotony of routine for a dynamic exploration of movement possibilities. Remember, true fitness isn't confined to four walls or predefined routines. It's about unearthing your unique movement identity and celebrating the power of your body. First, let's transcend the gym walls and embrace the vast natural playground. Imagine yourself scaling a rock face, overcoming personal boundaries as you connect with the raw power of nature. Rock climbing is not just a full-body workout, it's a mental and emotional dance, culminating in the exhilaration of reaching the summit. Or, picture yourself gliding across tranquil waters, the rhythmic strokes of kayaking engaging your core while immersing you in the serenity of the outdoors. Each experience becomes a unique narrative, written with your own movements. Next, let's move beyond the physical and tap into the power of rhythm. Salsa classes transform into celebrations of self-expression, while park hour becomes an artistic exploration of urban landscapes. Every step becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of your fitness journey, telling a story of joy, creativity, and unbridled movement. Remember, exercise shouldn't be a solitary confinement. It's an opportunity to unlock your inner artist and express yourself through your body. Finally, cultivate a supportive community to amplify your journey. Join a fitness class, embark on hiking adventures with friends, or challenge colleagues to a playful game of frisbee. The social connection fuels motivation, fosters accountability, and adds a layer of genuine enjoyment to your movement experience. Remember, we are social creatures, moving together strengthens bonds and elevates the joy of physical activity. So, shed the limitations of conventional fitness and embrace the limitless possibilities of movement discovery. Explore, experiment, and delve into the diverse world of physical expression. You might just unlock hidden talents, reignite your passion for movement, and redefine what it means to truly experience the joy of being active. Thank you for joining us on this quest to elevate your fitness experience. If you've made it this far, consider giving this video a thumbs up and explore more movement adventures on our channel. Remember, the world is your gym.